How to get Meta verified on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can get Meta verified on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to get Meta verified on Instagram, it is actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instagram app and then just come to the profile tab. Now Meta verification is a new feature that Instagram has launched, so to get this feature make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Now tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side and then simply look for the option known as Meta verified, which you'll find over here. Now any account can actually now get verified on Instagram if you just pay for it. Yes, that's how Meta verification now works. You can see a verified badge, increase account protection and so on. So now you can tap the next option here and then just select an account that you would like to sign up. Now you can see you will be billed $7.99 per month on this profile. So now you can tap the pay to get benefits option. Make sure to enter your card details, and after that you will be able to successfully go ahead and then actually get Meta verified on Instagram. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.